Welcome to Specialty Physicians of Illinois, LLC. Meet one of our doctors.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Mehl. I specialize in orthopedic surgery. I concentrate most of my practice in the treatment of hip, knee, and shoulder problems. I do a lot of sports medicine with respect to those joints, treating injuries that may occur in those areas. That would include a lot of arthroscopic surgery care and generalized care that may not require surgery. I also perform a lot of knee and hip replacement surgery. I've been in practice here in the south suburbs for 20 years. We very much enjoy living and working in this area. I've been on staff here at St. James, now Franciscan Health, for all of those 20 years. I grew up in Iowa and attended college in Iowa. I then attended the University of Iowa Medical School for my medical school training. We then moved to Loyola in Maywood for my orthopedic surgery residency. I knew very early that I wanted to be in medicine and specifically become a doctor. As I went through the training process, I discovered what orthopedic surgery was all about. That being the treatment of the musculoskeletal system, and specifically injuries to people that play sports or are active or have arthritis type conditions. So I definitely fell in love with orthopedic surgery as I went through my medical school training. My philosophy is to treat that patient for that problem in any way possible. I usually strive to avoid surgery for most of these conditions. When surgery is necessary, it's very important to do a very thorough job on that surgery and to make sure that the recovery is complete. The goal then is to eliminate or almost completely eliminate any pain that they may have had before that injury or for that arthritic condition. In our specialty, we continue to learn, even though we may think we know it all. So I learn from patients, I learn from other doctors, nurses, staff members, and anybody that I may encounter. You can continue to learn in this profession by listening and paying attention to people, whether they're the one with the condition that you're treating or whether it's another doctor that may have some advice as to how to treat a certain condition. I think the important thing is to keep an open mind and to continue to treat people with that in mind. I very much enjoy treating patients and also getting to know them as a person, their family life or their work life. A lot of my patients have work injuries, or the injuries that affect them may affect their work. So I like to get to know them as a person and be very personable with them. My patients do give me feedback that I am very communicative and personable, and not just being a doctor and being only professional. I like to be more personal with my patients and let them feel at ease when I'm giving them advice or before and after surgery. Since we moved here 20 years ago, my wife and I both have become very active in golf. We're members of Olympia Fields Country Club, which is an outstanding facility. We play golf as often as we can when time permits, and our children are also very active in golf when they have time. But that is my biggest opportunity to relieve stress and enjoy life outside of medicine. Particularly in the field of orthopedics, it's important to stay physically fit, to keep your body in good condition. That doesn't mean you have to be a super weightlifter or super marathon runner, but keep your body in good physical condition. Because as we get older, or if we try to do sports and activities, our bodies will break down more often if the muscles and joints are not in good condition to begin with. So I think that would be my best advice.
Specialty Physicians of Illinois, LLC has assembled an unmatched team of accomplished physicians to provide comprehensive specialty healthcare services to patients of all ages across a broad spectrum of disciplines. For more information, go to www.spidoctors.com or call 708-679-2380.
As I mentioned, I grew up in Iowa. I met my wife in college at Iowa, and we've been married 32, almost 33 years now. We have two children, one of which is married, and we were lucky enough to have our first grandchild born about 9 months ago. My other child is my daughter, and she just finished her family practice medical residency training, and she'll be entering medicine in her own practice in the Milwaukee area in a couple of months. So we're very proud and blessed to be in the position we are with our family life. We all stay very active and very committed to each other, and it's great to have that type of support, both as a physician and as a parent.